Hi students, today I'm going to show you how to do 3 things on your iPad. They're going to be very, very important for upcoming things we need to do in class. So the first thing is we need to update to the latest version of iOS and the most updated version of iOS for our iPads. So that's the first thing I'm going to show you how to do. The second thing is you need to install a new app or secure browser onto your iPad. So I'll show you where to find that and how to do that. And the third thing that you're going to need to be able to do that I'm going to show you is you need to know your SSID number. So I will show you where to find that and how to get there. All right, so the first things first is we've got to update our iPads to the most updated, latest version of iOS. So I'm going to go to, I put it down here on my dock, but you're going to look for your settings icon. So it looks like these gears right here, wherever that is. I'm going to click on that. And then when you're in here, you know, have all these things along the side. You want to go to the general. So you're still looking at those gears. When I click on general, and then you're going to go to software update. And when you click on software update, it's going to check for an update. If you need to update and you do not have the latest version, like if you can see mine, I do not. I'm going to have to download and install the latest version onto my iPad. So you would just follow the directions, download and install, and then you can upload or download the latest version. Download the latest version of the software. So you're going to go into the settings, go to the general, and then if you already have the latest version of it, then this will tell you that there are no updates are needed. No updates are needed. So that's the first thing. Okay. Second thing is you need to install a new app. So we're going to go into the self-service app. If you don't know where that is on your iPad and you don't have these extra files where you keep things, all you need to do is put your finger here in the middle and like swipe down a little bit and you can search for it, and you can put in self-service, and open that and it'll open it for you. And the what we need to install is called the AirSecure Test 21 CLC. That is what needs to be installed on your iPad. So all you have to do is click, well, I've already installed it, but you can reinstall it, I suppose. So now that will put this on your iPad as a little app icon, and now you'll have a secure browser for what is coming up later on this year. So when I do this, and it may not be on the very first page, I need to swipe. And when I swipe, there it is. So it may not be on your first page, swipe, see it's here on my second page. So that was the second thing, is we go into the self-service app and we want to install this AirSecure Test. Now, the third thing that you need to know is your SSID number. Now, I cannot get into Student Q. I don't have that ability, so I'm going to show you the directions. Here are the directions on how to do that. You need to go to the portal, right? Open up Safari, go into the student portal, and you're going to log into your Q, just like you would check your grades in Q. But this time, while you're there, along that menu along the side, you're going to look for SSID. That's what you're going to look for, SSID. So you're going to click on the little plus sign. It'll make it a minus sign, and then you'll get a number. So this one's blacked out. So your note, because everybody's number is different. That's a number that you don't want to share with anybody else, but that is your SSID number. Write that down somewhere or keep it somewhere so that when it's time to use it, you know what it is. All right, so those are the 3 things that we needed to do. We need to update our iOS on our iPads to the latest version. You need to install the secure browser, which is right here. And then you need to know your SSID number. All right, so all these things you're going to need for stuff that's coming up. All right, have a great day.